The government shutdown is now in its 39th day, the longest on record. On Friday, the Senate again failed to pass a bill to pay federal workers who have to show up for work during the shutdown. Senators are expected to meet throughout the weekend, but as Jen Sullivan explains, millions of people are feeling the brunt of this stalemate.
The Senate will come to order.
The Senate back in session Saturday as the government shutdown settles into a sixth week with no end in sight.
Instead of governing, Republicans are playing games with people's livelihoods.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer proposed a plan Friday to reopen the government if Republicans agree to extend health care tax credits by 1 year. Those subsidies help lower health insurance costs for millions of families, and they're set to expire at the end of the year. But Republicans are worried they're too costly.
Republicans are not about to further burden taxpayers by blindly extending a flawed program.
Caught in the middle of the gridlock on Capitol Hill, the American public. Millions of federal workers are not getting paid. TSA agents and air traffic controllers are still expected to come to work, but many are calling out.
They don't have the means to come to work. They're calling in because they can't put gas in their car or they can't afford to pay for daycare.
The sick calls are causing staffing shortages at airports and aviation support facilities across the country.
Each FAA facility has a minimum staffing level. They have to have this in place or regulatorily they cannot operate.
The FAA says it will gradually reduce air traffic by up to 10% by November 14th at 40 major airports. The decision could cut thousands of flights a day. It's already having a major impact on travel, stranding passengers.
The whole board, there were so many cancellations.
We can always rent a car, take the Amtrak.
As of 3 p.m. Saturday, more than 4,200 flights had been delayed and more than 1,000 flights canceled, according to FlightAware. I'm Jen Sullivan reporting.